Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to create a number input works. Okay, suppose want to give label and that label is number, then I can use a line breaker vr tag. Okay, then I can use the input element tag, and in this time we are setting type equal to number. That gives us the number input works. Then save the file and refresh in browser. Then we can see a number input works, and also we can notice that number input works has often down arrows. Okay, and it allows user to input only numbers, not any symbols or any character. Okay, we can set restriction the numbers that only allows the maximum number and minimum number by using maximum attribute and minimum attribute. Okay, so we can use minimum attribute and maximum attribute. Suppose minimum 5 and maximum 24. Then save the file and refresh in browser. Then we can see the number input box is smaller box because this box only entered the numbers between 5 to 24. Okay, I will see you guys in next video.